Yo, what up guys, welcome to a brand new video on my channel. Today we're diving in another Shopify video, specifically how to set up your shipping settings within Shopify. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I'm here in my Shopify dashboard. For those who are not familiar with Shopify, it's actually pretty simple. All we need to do to set up your shipping settings is go to settings in the left corner. And here we've got a lot of options, and like the only thing we're going to look at today is shipping and delivery. Here things might look a little complicated, but it for sure isn't. All we need to do is click on manage rates, and a screen will open with all the settings we want to adjust. So here we can adjust the shipping times and shipping costs for each country and like the rest of the world, like all regions. So here you can see there's already, I'm based in the Netherlands, and the store has already been set up for PostNL track and trace. But if you want to do this for, let's say, United States, all you need to do is type in United States selected. And in this case, we've also automatically selected Netherlands. So let's unselect that one. And here you go. We've set up US region, and basically you can set up multiple price options. So let's say this one is USPS 5 to 7 days delivery. Let's say we are charging €5 to ship it out, with a minimum price of, let's say, 0, and let's say we want orders over €10 to be shipped for free, so Shopify won't charge like any cost. So all we need to do is like set up €9 on here and create a new, a new rate. And here we are also going to do the same thing, so USPS 5 to 7 days delivery. And let's say we're going to charge no shipping fee for customers who place an order above €10. So from €10 and higher, there will be no shipping fee charged at checkout. And that's basically it. Now you've set up your first shipping setting. If you want to charge a higher shipping fee for customers who order within like United Kingdom and ship to the UK, you can also like do the same thing with UK here, and just go on until you like modified all the the shipping settings. And you can also take it really easy and just like charge one rate for the rest of the world, and like delete this one, for example, and this one too. That's also an option. Just like play around with it, and yeah, see what matches your what works the best for you. So that's basically it. If you click save on here, it will be automatically applied at the checkout, so you can charge shipping fee how you want it. So that's basically it for it today. I hope this video was good use for you and is going to make you a lot of money, and if so, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next Shopify tutorial. Thank you.